What we've done is converted, the one was an open fronted barn and we've enclosed the front.
Well, they were the traditional cattle barns. They were around about 16th, 17th century. They were for rearing cattle. It's providing accommodation for people that want to maybe get away and have some sort of quiet area, but they're not too far away from the city. They're only about 20 minutes from Cardiff and maybe half an hour from Swansea. So, and the M4 link is very close, but yet it's still quiet and peaceful.